Welcome back to TechnoSearch YouTube channel. So today we are having the news like the leak from video cards, and it is stated like FSR 2.0 has been leaked in some official slides, and video card has stated that this is they are only going to report this, but they are not going to show any slides of this official report. But as you can see over here, next level temporal scaling. Deliver similar or better than native image quality using temporal data and includes optimizing anti-aliasing. So it can deliver like native 4K, like if you're upscaling it from 1080p, and also it doesn't require any machine learning hardware. So it's a pretty big way, so they don't need to put tensor cores like in Nvidia or like machine implementation in XeSS architecture by Intel in its upcoming GPUs. And it can possibly work on multiple GPUs like previous gen GPUs also, which doesn't have this machine learning cores. So it's a pretty big win, and it boosts frameworks and supports in supported lanes over a wide range of products and platforms, both AMD and competitors. So AMD is doing a pretty good way with FSR, as it is its second generation, and it's going to deliver more higher quality images compared to the FSR 1.0. And as we all know that RSR has already been implemented, and it has already been launched on 17th of March. So yeah, FSR 2.0 is pretty looking like next level of upscaling, and it is going to be officially launching on Q2 of this year. So we just have to wait and watch, and I will keep you updated regarding this Fidelity FX super resolution technology and its second generation, because Nvidia technically has had started with DLSS, but AMD is now catching up. And moving on, Copper 7 King has tweeted out like someone told him like the 90 series of graphics card, let's say 4090, will have a TGP of 600 watts, and it has been confirmed. So it's it's too early to think about it. It states that, but it is going to be going like with Grey 155 Sleek. Like 4080 will come with 450 watts, 4090 with 600, and 4090 Ti will come with 800 watts or plus. So we are having like we need a new PSU, as we already know. Like the new PSU standards are coming for these generations of graphics card. Like next generation of graphics card will be giving like a new generation of PSU which supports PCI 5.2 and new type of connector to deliver this much high power requirements. So it is generally becoming more and more true. And we already know that AMD is going MCM with its higher end model. So it can hit up to 500 watts, maybe not similar to like Nvidia, but Nvidia is going like with monolithic architecture because they don't have like MCM architecture as of now. But AMD's next gen flagship, as tweeted by Grimo previously, it can go up to 500 watts. And last of all today, yet another vulnerability has been spotted. Inspector V2 by Intel and its development team, and its affect like all the way from Haswell, which launched in 2013, up to Zen 1 GPUs, Zen 1 CPUs, and selected ARM CPUs also. So yeah, it is a pretty bad vulnerability, and if it's affected, like there's like a mitigation to it, like you can implement it, but the drawback to it is major, like you get upwards of 35% less performance compared to the original performance. So yeah, it's a pretty big loss, like you're losing performance like up to 45% on i9 900K. It's not similar, but it's like 27% on an average, and you can say like it's as high as 27 or 35% on previous gens. But it also depends on the workload which you are doing. Like some workloads it gets hit at worst and some less. But Intel has shared these findings up to, and AMD also, and AMD and Intel are both planning for their CPUs to mitigate this vulnerability as of now. And AMD has tagged Intel regarding these findings, and you can see AMD has been hit worse, like it loses performance up to 54% in some content switching applications. So yeah, you just need to wait and watch. But since this is a new vulnerability, they might need some time to implement it. So that's it for today. What do you think about all of this? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will meet you in the next one. Peace out. And this is only in the Linux as of now and not in Windows. So, peace out.